Embarking on the journey to early retirement is not just about earning more. It's about intentional living and smart financial habits. With these 19 life-changing money habits, you can set a solid foundation for retiring early and living the life you've always envisioned. Habit 1. Embrace frugality with purpose. Frugality doesn't mean denying yourself joy. It's about making conscious spending decisions that align with your early retirement goals. Analyze your spending habits to identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing quality of life. This might involve choosing experiences over material goods, opting for quality items that last longer, and finding creative ways to enjoy life's pleasures without breaking the bank. Habit 2. Maximize your income through diverse means. While advancing in your current career is essential, exploring additional income avenues can significantly impact your savings rate. Consider developing skills that enable you to take on freelance work, consulting, or creating online content. The gig economy offers myriad opportunities to earn extra income, from ride-sharing to renting out a spare room on Airbnb. Each dollar earned above your living expenses accelerates your journey to early retirement. Habit 3. Automate your savings to build wealth effortlessly. Setting up automatic transfers into your retirement and investment accounts ensures that saving isn't an afterthought. Beyond retirement accounts, consider automating contributions to a taxable investment account, especially if you plan to retire before you can access retirement funds without penalty. The key is to make saving and investing as frictionless as possible, ensuring consistent growth of your nest egg. Habit 4. Invest wisely with a long-term perspective. Understanding the power of compound interest and the importance of a diversified investment portfolio is crucial, whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investment vehicles. Educate yourself on the risks and returns of each. Consider adopting a low-cost, index fund-based investing strategy, which has been shown to outperform actively managed funds over the long term. Stay informed about market trends, but avoid reactionary decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Habit 5. Avoid debt that hinders financial progress. Debt, especially high-interest consumer debt, is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. Prioritize paying off credit card balances, personal loans, and other high-interest debts. Once these are cleared, focus on low-interest debts like mortgages or student loans, weighing the benefits of paying off early versus investing the money at a potentially higher return. Habit 6. Continuously learn about personal finance to make informed decisions. The world of personal finance is ever-evolving. Commit to lifelong learning by consuming books, podcasts, and online courses on investing, tax strategies, and financial planning. This knowledge not only empowers you to make smarter financial decisions, but can also spark ideas for generating additional income or saving money in ways you hadn't considered. Habit 7. Create multiple income streams for financial resilience. Diversifying your income can provide security and speed up your retirement timeline. Look into passive income sources that align with your interests and skills. This could include investing in dividend-yielding stocks, starting a blog, or purchasing a rental property. The goal is to build income streams that require minimal ongoing effort, providing financial support as you transition into early retirement. Habit 8. Be tax efficient to maximize savings. Taxes can significantly impact your ability to save for early retirement. Take advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts like IRAs and health savings accounts. Learn about strategies such as Roth IRA conversions, tax loss harvesting, and the timing of income and deductions to reduce your tax burden. A tax advisor can offer personalized strategies based on your financial situation. Habit 9. Practice intentional spending to prioritize what matters. Adopt a mindset of intentional spending by evaluating each purchase for its true value to your life. This involves distinguishing between wants and needs, resisting impulse buys, and considering the long-term satisfaction of each expenditure. Intentional spending helps ensure that your money is used in ways that bring you closer to your early retirement goals. Habit 10. Focus on health and wellness to avoid future expenses. Investing in your health is investing in your wealth. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and preventative health care can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and medical expenses in the future. Additionally, maintaining good health can make your early retirement years more enjoyable and fulfilling. Habit 11. Master the art budgeting for financial clarity. A detailed budget allows you to track your progress, adjust your spending, and stay focused on your goals. Use budgeting tools or apps to categorize your expenses and monitor your cash flow. Regularly reviewing your budget helps identify areas for improvement and ensures you're allocating resources in alignment with your early retirement aspirations. Habit 12. Build a strong emergency fund for peace of mind. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, preventing the need to dip into retirement savings during unexpected events. Aim to save at least 6 to 12 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This fund provides security, allowing you to weather financial storms without derailing your early retirement plans. Habit 13. Downsize your lifestyle to accelerate savings. Evaluating your lifestyle and making adjustments where necessary can free up significant funds for saving and investing. Consider the impact of major expenses like housing, transportation, and discretionary spending. Downsizing doesn't mean sacrificing happiness. It's about making strategic choices that support your long-term goals. Habit 14. Use credit cards strategically for financial benefit. Credit cards, when used responsibly, can offer rewards, cash back, and travel benefits. However, the key is disciplined use, ensuring balances are paid off in full each month to avoid interest charges. Select cards that align with your spending patterns and offer rewards that you'll actually use. Habit 15. Invest in yourself to enhance earning potential. Personal and professional development can open doors to higher earning opportunities. Whether it's acquiring new skills, earning certifications, or starting a business, investing in yourself can have a profound impact on your income and, by extension, your ability to save for early retirement. Habit 16. Stay flexible in your financial planning to adapt to changes. Financial planning is not a set-and-forget process. Life events, market conditions, and personal goals evolve, requiring adjustments to your financial plan. Regular check-ins on your financial health and flexibility to adapt your strategies are crucial for navigating the path to early retirement successfully. Habit 17. Surround yourself with like-minded people for support and inspiration. The journey to early retirement can be challenging, but you don't have to go it alone. Seek out communities, both online and in person, of people who share your financial goals. These connections can provide valuable advice, encouragement, and motivation to stay the course. Habit 18. Celebrate milestones to maintain motivation. Recognizing and celebrating financial milestones is important for maintaining motivation. Whether it's paying off a specific debt, reaching a savings goal, or hitting an investment milestone, take time to acknowledge your achievements. These celebrations reinforce positive financial behaviors and keep you focused on the end goal. Habit 19. Never lose sight of your why for sustained commitment. Remembering why you're pursuing early retirement is essential for staying committed to your financial habits. Whether it's the desire for financial independence, more time with family, or the freedom to pursue passions, keeping your ultimate goals in mind can inspire you to persevere through challenges and stay on track. By incorporating these detailed habits into your life, you create a powerful framework for achieving early retirement. It's about making conscious decisions every day that align with your financial goals, staying informed and flexible, and maintaining the discipline to prioritize your future well-being. The path to early retirement requires commitment and patience, but with these habits, you're well equipped to make your dream a reality. Remember, the journey is unique for everyone. Tailor these habits to fit your personal circumstances and goals. Stay focused, stay motivated, and let's make early retirement a reality. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the conversation below by sharing which habit you're excited to adopt or any strategies you found effective on your own journey.